Thank you for joining us. Here we want to solve this system of equation, find the value of a and b. And from here, when we have a plus b raised to power 2, the expansion of this gives us a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So this is the expansion of this. And since we know the value of a squared plus b squared to be 74, so we can replace this with 74. Then plus, we know the values of ab to be 35, so we multiply by 2, that's 2 times 35. So this will give us 74 plus 70. So that means our a plus b all squared now is equals to 144. Now we can get the value of a plus b from here just by taking the square root on both sides. So square root on this side. So square root cancel square here. We are left with a plus b. And we have square root of this plus or minus. So we have plus or minus 12. Now in this case we are interested in the positive integer values of a plus. So we have a plus b here. We reject the negative. We have a plus b to be equals to 12. Then also from this identity that we have, which is a minus b all squared. So when we square this, we have a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. And from here, a squared plus b squared is 74. Then minus 2 times ab is 35. So we have 74 minus 70 now. Then that means our a minus b squared equals to 74 minus 70, which is a minus b all squared equals to 4. Also, we can get a minus b just by taking the square roots on both sides. Square cancel square root, and a minus b will give us plus or minus 2. Also, we reject the minus. We work with the positive value. So we have a minus b give us 2. Now work with this equation and the first one. We have a plus b equals to 12. Let's be equation 1. Then a minus b equals to 2. Then when we work with that two equations now, we can solve simultaneously to get the value of a and b. So we have a plus b is equals to 12 and a minus b equals to 2. So by the time we solve for this, we can add to eliminate b there. Then when we add from here, a plus a will give us 2a. So b minus b is 0. Then equals to 12 plus 2, that's 14. To get a, divide both sides by 2. So when we divide both sides by 2, we have a left here. So a is equals to 7. So this is the value of a. And we can get the value of b by substituting in equation 1 or equation 2. So from equation 1, we have a plus b equals to 12. Which is a is 7, that's 7 plus b equals to 12. We can say b will now be equals to, take 7 there, that's 12 minus 7. Then our b is equals to 5. So b is equals to 5, a is equals to 7. And we can substitute this value into the equation given to check whether this will give us, will satisfy the two equations. So we can do that. And if you are just joining us, subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class, and bye for now.